Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Farhan. I am studying in 10th standard. Today my topic is coordinate geometry taken from math subject. So before getting into the topic, I would like to request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in coordinate geometry, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 formulas. You have to learn all these formulas, then you can do any problem. First formula is distance between two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 when line is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is a graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. If the point is when the line is parallel to x-axis, it means this is x-axis. Parallel means straight to the x-axis. Parallel. This is the x-axis and we have to find the distance of this line. So the formula for this distance is x2 minus x1 and these two lines are known as modulus. In modulus x2 minus x1. This is the formula for distance between two points x1, y1 and x2, y2. And the second formula is distance between two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 when line is parallel to y-axis. Here it is x-axis and here it is y-axis. It means quite opposite. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. It means this is y-axis and straight to y-axis means this. This is the line parallel to y-axis. So we have to find the distance of this line. So the formula for this distance between two points when line is parallel to y-axis is y2 minus y1 in modulus y2 minus y1. This is the second formula. And the third formula is distance of a point x and y. Only 2 points. Distance of a point x and y from the origin is x square plus y square. Origin means here are two lines x and y. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The middle part where the x-axis and y-axis both are joining, this is known as origin. The distance of this origin is under root x square plus y square. This is the third formula. And the fourth formula is distance between P of x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2. It means there are 2 points and we have to find the distance of these 2 points. So the formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It means we have to take a graph. Suppose here is a point and here is another point, x and y. We have to find the distance between these 2 points. So the formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And the fifth formula is coordinates of the point P of xy which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally. It means from inside in the ratio m is to n. In this formula the ratio will be given as m is to n is, and the formula is m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n and comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n, where m and n are the ratios. M comma n are ratios. It means coordinates of the point which divides line segment. Suppose this is a line segment and it divides the line segment into two equal parts, a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. Again we have a and b, so we have to join these 2 points. If we will join 2 points, we will get a line. So here we have to find the distance. If we have to find the distance of this line, we have to use this formula. And the next formula is Heron's formula, area of a triangle. Suppose if a triangle is given and the sides are 2, 3 and 5, we have to find the area of this triangle. We have to use Heron's formula. Heron's formula is given as a is equals to under root s into s minus a. Here a is the first side 2 and b s minus b is the second side and s minus c is the third side 2, 3 and 5. And if we have to find the value of s, we have to add all the sides of the triangle a plus b plus c, and again we have to divide it with 2. S is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. Again we will find the value of s, where a comma b c are 3 sides of triangle. A, b, c are the sides of the triangle. And the last formula is slope of a line. Slope of a line means if a line is given and we have to find the slope of the line x1 comma y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2 is m is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the last formula, where x1 is not equals to x2 because If x1 is equals to x2, suppose x is 2 and y is 2, 2 minus 2 it will become 0. So the denominator will come 0 and it is undefined. So x1 is not equals to x2. So these are the formulas we have to learn in coordinate geometry. Now I will explain the questions. These formulas are very important. Here the first question is, find the distance of 2 points two comma 3 and 4 comma 6 on line parallel to x-axis. This is the first formula question. It means the first formula is x2 minus x1, because here the question is parallel to x-axis. X-axis means the formula is x2 minus x1. What is the formula when the distance of 2 points 2, 3, 4, 6 line parallel to x-axis? The formula is in modulus x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Again we have to find the value of x2 and x1. Here the question is 2, 3 and 4, 6. We have to note, first one will be x1 and this is y1. These are the 2 points, and the second one is x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So the formula is x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? 4. In modulus 4 minus x1. What is x1? 2. In modulus 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Simply 2. So the distance between distance between the 2 points parallel to x-axis is 2. Again the next question is, find the distance of 2 points x1, y1, no, 5, 6 and 0, 1, and on a line parallel to y-axis. Sorry, here it is 2, 1, 6, 1. So this is the given question. This is the question for the second formula. We have the second formula of the distance between 2 points when the line is parallel to y-axis. Here it is x-axis. So the formula is x2 minus x1. When it is parallel to y-axis, the formula is y2 minus y1. In modulus y2 minus y1. So here we have to note the points as the first one will be x1 and this one will be y1 and this is x2. Last one is y2. x1, y1 and x2, y2. The formula is y2 minus y1. So we have to take the value of only y2 and y1 here. What is y2 value? 1. 1 minus, what is y1 value? 6. 6. What is 1 minus 6? Minus 5. So the distance between 2 points 5, 6 and 6, 1 on line parallel to y-axis is minus 5. Now I will explain you the next question. The question is clear. The third question is, distance of a point the distance of a point 3, 6 from the origin. This is the third formula. By using third formula, we can use this question and we will get the correct answer. What is the third formula? Distance of a point from the origin. It means this is y-axis and x-axis. This is the origin. So the point are given as 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to find the distance of this line. So the formula for the distance of a point from the origin is under root x square plus y square. This is the formula. Here what is x value means? The first value is to be taken as x and the second value is y. See, x on x axis and y on 6 on y axis. What is x value here? 3. 3 square plus y square. What is y? 6. What is 3 square? 9 plus what is 6 square? 36. Under root 36 plus 9. What is the 36 plus 9? Under root 45. So the under root 45 is the simplest form. So the distance of a point 3, 6 from the origin is under root 45. Now third question is clear. The fourth question is distance of a point, distance between two points. Distance between 2 points P of 2, 4 and Q of 3, 4 is not is distance between 2 points P of 2, 4 and Q 3, 4. So we have to find the distance between 2 points. What is the formula for distance between 2 points? This is the question for the fourth formula. The formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So we have to note the values x2, x1 and y2, y1. Here the question is P of 2, 4 and Q of 3, 4. So we have to take the first value as x1, x2, y1, x1, y1 and x2, y2. So these are the values for the given question. Here what is x value? x2. x2 value is 3. 3 minus x1. What is x1? 2. 3 minus 2 whole square plus y2. What is y2? 4. 4 minus y1. What is y1? 4. 4 minus 4 whole square. What is 3 minus 2? 1. 1 square plus 4 minus 4 simply 0. 1 square plus 0 square. What is 1 square? It is 1. Plus 0 square is 0. 1 plus 0 means 1 under root 1. So the distance between 2 points P of 2, 4 and Q of 3, 4 is root 1. Again, this question is completed. Now we will enter into the next problem. Fifth problem. Here it is internally in the ratio m. The given ratio is m:n. So the question is coordinates of point P of x, y, x, y divides the line segment. Divides the line segment joining the points. Joining the points A of 4, 5 and B of 2, 3 with the ratio 1:2 internally. So here we have a formula for the ratio, internally ratio. What is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is the formula for the points A and B with the ratio 1:2 or m:n. Here we have to find the value of m. What is m? Here the ratios are given as 1:2. So we have to take the first value as m and the second value as n. m:n means 1:2. What is the m value? 1. 1 into m is multiplied with x2. What is the x2 value? The points are given A 4,5 and B 2,3. This value is to be taken as x1, y1 and here x2. This is y2. So here m into x2. What is x2 here? 2. So 1 into 2 plus n. What is n here? 2. Because the given ratio is 1:2. 2 into x1. What is x1? 4 by m plus n. What is the given ratio? M and 1 and 2. So we have to add both this ratio 1 plus 2, comma m by 2. What is m here? 1 into y2. Here y2 is 3. So 1 into 3 plus n by 1. What is n? 2 into y1. y1 5 by m plus n. Here both the denominators are m plus n. So again 1 plus 2. Here 1 into 2. What is 1 into 2? 2 plus 2 4s are 8 by 1 plus 2 3. 1 into 3 3 plus 2 5s are 10 by what is 1 plus 2? 3. 2 plus 8 10. 10 by 3 comma 13 by 3. So this is in denominator. So we have to cancel here both the denominators 3 comma 3 and we will get a certain value 10 comma 13. So this is the distance of a point A comma A 4 comma 5 and B 2 comma 3 with ratio 1:2. The distance is 10 comma 13. So this is the answer. Now we can enter into the another problem. We have the question: midpoint of a line segment joining the points 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5. Find the distance. So what is midpoint formula? We have taken midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is the formula. What is s1 value? We have to take the 2 points 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5. First value is to be taken as x1. Next one is y1 and in the second point x2 y2. So these are the 4 points in the given question. What is x1 here? 1. 1 plus x2. What is x2? 4. 1 plus 4 by 2 comma y1 plus y2. 2 plus 5 by 2. What is 1 plus 4? 5. 5 by 2 comma 7 by 2. So the distance between the midpoint of a line segment joining points 1 comma 2 and 4 comma 5, the distance is 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. Here denominators are same, so we have to cancel it. The distance will become 5 comma 7. So this is the answer. Now we will enter into the another problem. Here I forgot to write a formula: centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle is the point of intersection. The values are given x1, x2, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 and 6 comma 7. So this is the given question. We have to find the centroid of a triangle. So the formula for centroid of a triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 because there are 3 points, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Isn't it? Yes. So this is the formula. We have to take the points 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This the first one is to be taken one x1, y1, x2, y2, and the last one is x3, y3. So these are the 6 points. What is x1 here? 2 plus x2 4 plus x3 6 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 3 plus 5 plus 7 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 3. So we get here first step. What is 2 plus 4? 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 by 3, comma 3 plus 5 plus 7 15 by 3. Here we should not cancel the denominator because it will cancel by its own table. 3 ones, 3 fours are 12. 3 ones the 3, 3 fives are 15. So the centroid of a triangle for the given question is 4, 5. This is the answer. Now the last problem is Heron's formula. By using Heron's formula, we have to find the area of the triangle. If A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 1, then find the area of triangle. A2, B3 and C1. These three are the sides of the triangle. It means we have to take first triangle. This is A, B and C. What is A given here? 2. This is 2, B3 and C1. These are the 3 points given. So we have to use the formula of Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? A is equals to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula. We have to find the value of S because the S value is not given. What is S? S is equals to A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is A, B, C? 2, 3 and 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 2. What is 2 plus 3 plus 1? 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. So the S value is 3. Here we get S value 3. So substitute S value in the given formula. A is equals to, A is nothing but the area of the triangle. Because we have to find the area of triangle. What is S? 3 into S minus A. 3 minus A means 2. 3 minus 2 into S. What is S? S means 3 minus B. B is also 3. 3 minus 3 into S minus C. 3 minus 1. So A is equals to under root 3 into, what is 3 minus 2? 1. 3 minus 3 0. And 3 minus 1 2. A is equals to under root 3 into, what is 1 into 0? 0. 0 into 2 0. 3 into 0. What is 3 into 0? Root 0. So the area of the triangle is root 0 because A is given 2, 3 and 1. These are the sides of the triangle and S is equals to 3. So the area of the triangle is root 0. Now the last question is slope of a line. Question is slope of the line containing the points. Here 4 points are given. 1, 2 and 2, 3. Find the slope of the line. Find the slope of the lines means the last formula I have wrote here. What is the formula? M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. What is M here? M is the slope of the line. So we have to find the slope of the line for the points 1, 2 and 2, 3. Here we have to substitute the values. M is equals to y2 y1. First we have to take the 2 points 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. This is the first point. So x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. These are the 4 points. We have to substitute this value. What is y2 here? 3. 3 minus y1. What is y1? 2. 3 minus 2 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 1. Here x2 is not equals to x1 is not equals to x2. So this is the condition for this formula. Yeah. x1 not equals to x2. See here, x1 is not equals to x2. So what is 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is 1. M is equals to 1 by, what is 2 minus 1? 1. M is equals to 1 by 1. In denominator it is 1 means we have to remove the denominator, because if we put 1 means no problem, not putting means no problem. So the slope of the line for the given points 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3 is 1. So the answer is 1. That's all. Hope you guys understand. Thank you.